Okay, so now that I've spent some time showing you why DealerPulse would be valuable to new and used car dealers, and I've also shown you a little bit about the workflow and kind of demonstrated how the survey capture and reporting works, I wanted to share a little more information and details around what's actually included with a subscription. Okay, so as I mentioned in the beginning, we wanted to build a full turnkey solution and provide a dealer access for 12 months. We wanted to make sure that nobody at the dealership had to do anything in the way of design. Therefore, whether it's sales or service or both, we have pre-built templates for everything, including the intake form, including the reporting and dashboarding, as I reviewed, also for the hot alert ledger, and also, for those unhappy customers in order to have a closed loop. We've also built in the redirect that goes directly to the review site of your choice in the event that a customer was a promoter. That's a very, very important feature of DealerPulse is, many dealerships struggle to get, robust amount of feedback on their preferred websites for review. And this is not only going to help you with volume, but it's going to help basically identify those customers that might be more prone to promote your brand to the world. And so, as I had indicated earlier, the customers that give you a negative detractor score on the Net Promoter are going to be invited to a hot alert ticket. Those that give a 9 or a 10 on the Net Promoter score, they're automatically going to be redirected to the website of your choice. Okay, and so all of that is baked into the logic. Nothing needs to be done by anybody at your dealership. And so essentially a complete ironclad 100% turnkey platform available to your dealership. So with regards to program details, what does the 12-month subscription get you? Well, again, here, we wanted to just streamline matters. Many of our competitors will, price things by this, by that, and by the time you're done, you end up with something that's just not within budget. So here we are looking to scale out this solution, and therefore we are out of the gate going to be providing unlimited survey completes for the dealership, whether it's on the sales side or the service side. Now, we understand that volumes can vary. There's rural dealerships that may do just a couple of transactions a week, and there are others that are very high volume, could be hundreds, even thousands. It doesn't matter with DealerPulse. We wanted to just make sure that it's streamlined, kind of one size fits all, normalize it to all new or used vehicle dealerships. Another important facet, language. So we understand that having Spanish available as part of the package is paramount, especially on the coast. So we've built that in as part of the program at no additional cost. And reporting, of course, will be administered in English only. But as far as the outreach to the customer, we will be giving the customer the opportunity to complete that survey in Spanish as well. We're going to give dealer full access to the customer intakes and reporting insights that I just showcased. And of course, we're not just going to hand the keys to you. We're going to spend some time onboarding and provide you with a slew of helpful FAQ and training videos as well. And then, of course, if you ever run into a hiccup, you'll have access to our QuestionPro support team, which is available 24/7. All right, so what does it all cost? Our goal here was to give a lot for a little, especially versus what we see our competitors offering. Our goal was to, again, streamline it, make it turnkey so that the dealer doesn't have to do anything in the way of design, but also provide a very affordable price point for the dealership to get access to this critical data. So as you can see here, we are providing the unlimited surveys. We're providing English and Spanish out of the gate. It's not a self-serve solution like many offer, where you actually have to get a license to the software and then go out and design the invitation, design the survey, design the dashboards, design the hot alert ledger. That's all being done by my team at AutoX. And of course, we're seasoned veterans in the automotive space. My team has over 100 years of combined experience working directly with the dealers in automotive manufacturers. So again, our goal here was to provide you with a lot for a little, and therefore we are starting DealerPulse at $83 per month. So for $1,000 a year, you can essentially have full access to either sales or service. And if you want to bolt on, let's say you want to start with sales, but then you decide, hey, there's a lot of value here to engage with our service customers this way as well. Well, then we will offer for an incremental $500 per year. So $1,500 total per year, you're going to get unfettered access to everything I talked about for both sales and service at your dealership rooftop. So I hope you found this information informative. If you would like to learn more or schedule a demo, please, click on the information available and set up an appointment with somebody from my team. We'd be happy to walk through this information in more detail. We appreciate your time, and best of luck out there taking care of your customers.